Welcome to St. Lucie Battery and Tire. We've been in business for about 40 years. My father founded the company in 1968 and he still works today. And myself and my brother Mickey are here every day making sure our customers get satisfied. We handle tires from 4 inches to 52 inches for anything you need. We also have batteries for everything from marine to specialty, computers, automotive as well, commercial. We have a large inventory, the largest on the Treasure Coast. Truck toolboxes, accessories, custom wheels, agricultural tires, just about any kind of tire you can imagine. We handle it or we'll get it for you. We basically have a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll make you satisfied. Our specialty is our service, giving people a quality service and products for a fair price. When you come to St. Lucie Battery and Tire, you're going to get the best service that you've ever had. Our reputation will speak for itself. We're the home of honest and reliable service.